Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with an amazing video. Today I will share the easy way to make your eyebrows by only using makeup. So first start with cleaning the eyebrows. Use a spoolie brush or a clean mascara wand. Brush your eyebrows in the direction of their growth. Now I am using Miss Rose concealer. Choose a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. Use creamy or liquid concealer for this technique. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. Now blend your concealer. You can use your fingers, small brush or a blender. Blend it well, making sure to blend any harsh edges. Repeat these steps on the other eyebrow. Now to set the concealer, I am using compact powder. Set it well. It helps to prevent creasing and smudging. It increases the longevity of your makeup. Now I have a smoother finish and nice coverage. Now it's time to fill the eyebrows. You can fill your eyebrows with pencil, powder, or creamy eyebrow filler. I am using a creamy eyebrow filler. Choose a creamy eyebrow filler that matches the color of your eyebrows. You can use a small brush or an angled brush to apply the product. Dip your brush into the eyebrow filler and wipe off any excess product. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. Fill in any sparse areas or gaps. Continue filling in your eyebrows. Make sure to blend the product into your natural eyebrow hairs for a seamless finish. Be careful while filling your start of eyebrows. Use the eyebrow brush in the upward direction. Now again brush your eyebrows with a clean spoolie brush. This will blend all the product together. Now at the end I am applying silver shade on the brow bone. This will highlight the brow bone and enhance the look. I am done with doing my eyebrows. I hope you guys learned to do eyebrows. Tell me in the comment section if you like this way of doing eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Like this video, subscribe my channel.